In this video we're going to write 4 over x minus 3 divided by x squared minus x minus 6 as a single fraction. So writing that down, now the first step would be to look at this quadratic to see if we can factorize that bit first. So writing down 4 over x minus 3, this is a quadratic, so it needs two brackets. We need to write down x, and then 6 we can get from 1 and 6 and 2 and 3. More likely to get a 1 from 2 and 3, so we'll write down 2 and 3, and I want a minus 3 and a plus 2. Right, now looking at the denominators of both things, we will see we would have to multiply this one by x plus 2, so the LCM will be x plus 2, x minus 3. So writing that down with x plus 2, x minus 3. This was only over x minus 3, so it means I would have to multiply that 4 by x plus 2. And this one, it's already over the denominator of x plus 2, x minus 3, so we'll just leave it as minus 3. And then expanding the bracket in the numerator here, we're going to get 4x plus 8 minus 3. And then collecting together at the 8 and the minus 3, we're going to get 4x plus 5. And the denominator we just leave as x plus 2, x minus 3. So this is where we're solving algebraic fractions where perhaps we just factorize one of the denominators first. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.